Hi friends, welcome to Predict the Unpredictable. Guys, today we are going to discuss a very important topic from the current affairs which can come in the UPSC Prelims examination 2025. This topic is from the subject of environment on a theme which is favorite in the UPSC Prelims examination, International Environment Conventions. So guys, today in the newspaper there was an article, COP16 ends with some wins and losses. Guys, I can tell you there will be a definite question on this topic in the prelims examination. Again, I repeat myself, there will be a definite question on this topic in the prelims examination 2025. You can save this video. Guys, we are going to analyze all the PYQs which have come on this topic also, so that you understand what is the demand of the UPSC prelims examination. Guys, this initiative is a unique initiative. Why? Because we not only discuss the current affairs, we try to predict what can come in the prelims examination by analyzing the PYQs. This will help you align your preparation as per the demand of the prelims examination. So guys, recently you all know that the 16th edition of the Convention on Biological Diversity was concluded in Cali in Colombia. So guys, this topic is very important because this 16th edition of the Convention on Biological Diversity is basically after the 2022 15th convention. So 15th convention COP, okay, 15th COP, there is still the question has not come on this topic. Okay, 15th COP was very important. In the 15th COP which was held in Montreal, Canada, okay, there was a global biodiversity framework adopted. Global biodiversity framework adopted, which is also called as Kunming-Montreal Global Biodiversity Framework. This is very important. For the last 2 years, in the prelims 2023 and in the prelims 2024, UPSC has not asked a question on this global biodiversity framework, which is also called the Kunming-Montreal Global Biodiversity Framework. So first of all, one thing you need to prepare is you need to prepare this framework. So guys, this framework basically had a goal to achieve harmony with nature by 2050 and achieve all the sustainable development goals. Also guys, this goal had 30 by 30 target. 30 by 30 target, which means to protect 30% of Earth's land and marine area by 2030 to protect the biodiversity. Apart from that, this global biodiversity framework has a target of reducing the invasive species by 50% by 2030 and reducing the pollution risk to tolerable level by 2030. This global biodiversity framework has four goals and 23 targets. What are the goals, guys? Protect and restore ecosystem, sustainable use of biodiversity, fair distribution of benefits, and cross-sectoral integration and financing of biodiversity protection. So guys, some of the important goals, as I told you, one of the goal is to protect 30% of terrestrial and maritime ecosystem by 2030, then reduce pollution by at least 50%, reduce invasive species by at least 50% by 2030. So one question what you can expect is on COP15, which led to Kunming-Montreal Global Biodiversity Framework. So they can ask you one question on Global Biodiversity Framework and its targets and goal. Very important. Particularly guys, this 30 cross 30 target is very important. Guys, you can also be asked the history of the Convention on Biodiversity. So guys, it is headquartered in Montreal, Canada, and the first COP was held in the year 1994. Guys, the goal of Convention on Biological Diversity is to conserve biodiversity, sustainable use of biodiversity, and equitable sharing of benefits of biodiversity. Guys, there are two protocols related to this convention. These protocols are the Cartagena Protocol, which was in the 2003 and Nagoya Protocol 2014. So guys, Nagoya Protocol is very important. It has been asked by UPSC 2 times in the prelims examination, and this year we are completing 10 years of Nagoya Protocol. Therefore, this topic of Nagoya Protocol is very important. Guys, Nagoya Protocol basically calls for equitable sharing of the benefits out of the genetic diversity. Guys, we are going to discuss all the important stuff related to this topic which happened at the COP16. So guys, in COP16, one important decision has been taken, and this decision is that they have created a fund to share the profits of the genetic data. Guys, there is a concept called digital sequencing information, DSI. This is a very important concept, and you may expect a question on DSI. Guys, what I have done is that I have created a card on DSI. Guys, Optima card. Guys, you are going to get this Optima card as part of our prelims mentorship for quick revision at the end of your UPSC this prelims preparation. Okay, before the exam, just before the exam, for quick revision. So guys, what are DSIs? DSIs basically consist of DNA and RNA nucleotide and protein sequence. Basically, they are collecting the genetic data in digital format, and this has various applications in drug development, and then it has applications in diagnostics. This has application in conservation of species. This has application in agriculture also. So guys, DSIs are used by multinational companies like cosmetic companies, drug companies, but the problem is that this genetic information is basically preserved by the indigenous communities, but they are not getting the benefit of the use of DSI. So now under the CBD, they have created a special fund so that the benefit which is coming out of this digital sequence information, which is nothing but genetic sequencing data in a digital format, which is used by medicines company, drug company, and the cosmetic companies. So they have to now share the benefits which they are getting out of this genetic information, and they have to share with the indigenous people who have conserved this knowledge, okay, this traditional knowledge for ages. Okay, so sharing with the local community is very important. So this fund has created, this fund is also called the Cali fund, okay, on the place Cali, okay, in Colombia, okay, on the place Cali, okay, Cali fund, it is called Cali fund. Okay, so this is also very important. So guys, you can see various kinds of questions can be expected on this topic, whether it is the Nagoya Protocol. Why I am saying that question will be coming in this topic. So guys, you can see here in prelims 2023 itself, there was a question on Nagoya Protocol. And guys, Nagoya Protocol is completing 10 years. You can see 2024 it is completing 10 years. Guys, you can see this question was also asked in 2016. You can see here Nagoya Protocol is for access and benefit sharing of the genetic information. So that is why guys, analysis of PYQs are very important. Once we analyze the PYQs, we get to know what kind of questions have already asked by the UPSC, which are the important points. So guys, what are we doing to preserve and conserve biodiversity at our country level? Okay, so we have a Biological Diversity Act. This was asked in the prelims examination 2023. Then we have Patents Act. Then we have Traditional Knowledge Digital Library. This is also very important. This is under the CSIR. And then we have Geographic Indication of Plants. Geographical indication of plant. At the international level, we have the CBD, and under CBD, we have the Nagoya Protocol for access to genetic information, fair and equitable sharing of the benefits. This is very important. Nagoya Protocol is very important. Guys, if you go through the newspaper today, they have also mentioned what is India's contribution to the COP16, and here they have mentioned two things. One they have mentioned is the National Biodiversity Strategy and Action Plan, and second thing what they have mentioned in the International Big Cat Alliance. Guys, Government of India has taken this initiative of starting this International Big Cat Alliance for conservation and preservation of big cats. So guys, this Big Cat Alliance is also very important, but before that let us try to understand what is this National Biodiversity Strategy and Action Plan. It is a policy instrument developed by countries as a part of their commitment to the CBD. The NSAP basically outlines the country's strategic plans to conservation, sustainable use and equitable sharing of biodiversity resources. It is part Article 6 of the CBD. Article 6 of the CBD. Very important guys. Next, International Big Cat Alliance, which was also mentioned. This was an alliance which was started by India. This was basically to protect big cats. What are big cats guys? Tiger, lion, leopard, snow leopard, puma, jaguar and cheetah. Okay, these are called big leopards guys. You can see here I have given this some details of the big leopards. This comparison question of big leopards was also asked this year in the prelims 2024. So you can expect a question on big leopards. So guys, this International Big Cat Alliance is open for all the tiger range countries. Okay, all the tiger range countries. Okay guys, so like this we have to prepare, like this we have to analyze and we have to prepare for the prelims examination. If you start preparing like this guys, no one can stop you from qualifying the prelims examination guys. If you need my guidance guys, this is my Telegram number guys. I have a Telegram channel where I put a lot of free content, everyday current affairs, everyday current affairs quiz, completely free in this Telegram channel. You can join this Telegram channel guys. I have the unique distinction of cracking the prelims examination 6 times guys. This will help you in cracking the prelims examination very easily. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.